70 secret tricks and tips inside iOS 12. Many are big flash in your face future, just as many are little hidden iPhone and iPad tricks that only a true Apple iOS will find. Apple Worldwide Developers Conference is right around the corner on June 3, where we will likely get a snack peek at iOS 30. But if the best is any indication, it would not officially arrive until the fall alongside new iPhones. So, all us non-developers are stuck with iOS 12. Maybe that's a good thing, as everyone with iOS 12 has plenty left to learn. Each new interaction of 12 includes innovation and new option. Many are big flash in your face future. Others are little hidden tricks that only a true iOS will find. Since iOS 12 works on iPhone from the 5S on up, the iPad Touch and iPads going back to 2013s iPads are that's a lot of device that can take advantage of people latest mobile software upgrades. The tips featured below are the item that should push you from user to power user in no time. Show your friend and relatives and your son be their iPhone for better or worse. Placing a cursor in text on an iPhone is not that hard. It just takes a bit of finger placement on the screen. Apple iOS device with 3D touch iPhones 6s, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus have long been able to move the cursor around in text by holding a finger down on the keyboard and turning it into a trackpad with iOS 12. This feature comes to non 3D touch devices. It is the kind of simply innovation you would not believe has not been around for ages and one you will never stop using once mastered. There are lots of cool things supported by 3D Touch, which allow for quick access to certain apps with a hard press on the screen. In iOS 12, you can do a couple new things. 3D Touch the camera icon, and you will now see the option to scan QR code in the pop-up menu. On the Notes app, a new 3D Touch option is to scan a document. As new updates happen, it is fun to 3D touch all the icon and see what new feature you may get. Got a song in your head but do not know the name of the tone? Type it into the Apple Music apps search box, even if you are not an Apple Music subscriber, and it is a show option for song, album, and playlists with that perhaps. This is far from a foolproof heading method. In fact, it just moves photo to a pre-made gallery in your iOS phone's app called Hidden, so the pic does not get sent to iCloud or other backups. All you do is select an image you like, click the share icon, the box with the arrow pointing up, and select Hidden from the button row of gray icon. Anyone grabbing your phone can navigate to the hidden album to see these short, but it is take snaps a little more effort to see them. If you really want to look away, pick locate inside the Notes app or use a third-party app like Secret Calculator Pro.